like Tuscany.
Hi Kinds, welcome back to our channel. My name is Shrey and this is my wife Kriti, and after a long time we are shooting a vlog and Kriti will tell you what's the plan for today.
So it's almost close to the end of the summer season here in Canada, and we are very soon to getting the fall and winter time. So we are finally going to explore a small town called Elora, which is I think 1.5 hour drive from city of Toronto, and we'll be going there and exploring the town. Shrey is doing something very adventurous. We also have our friends joining in. I'm not feeling too well, so I won't be doing that activity. So Shrey is going for the Elora rapid tubing. Sounds really fun and exciting.
It is similar to river rafting in Rishikesh. I have done that I think more than 10 years back, so I'm looking forward to it. The weather seems lovely, it's sunny, and we'll just pick up our friends and go to Elora.
Yeah, I'm your camera woman today, so I'll be recording all of them having fun with water and the tubings. I don't think it will be as dangerous as the Rishikesh river rafting. I think that the rapids are really strong there and they are really high. I don't know if that's the case here because this is mostly a valley.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, it'll be a fun experience. This is so pretty. It's like Tuscany.
Hello.
Hello.
Are you guys excited?
Yes, very excited, and I am hoping I don't freeze to death in the river.
I think the water will not be. The water will not be too cold.
I hope so. And please, if I fall, please do not let me drift.
Put your what's the instruction? Put your leg downstream and float.
Each
Yes,
man
but
for
please-
each man
no,
for
no, no,
himself.
please,
Do not cry out my name.
I am like.
So guys, we have come to Elora. Here we are collecting the equipments. This was a 1.5 hour drive, but really beautiful. But now we'll collect the equipment and then go to the launch site. Yeah, so we are deflating it.
Dress up for your... You'll wear your goggles because they might
Fall, right?
fall.
No,
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna keep them.
And shoes?
Yeah. Shoes, yes, I'm gonna keep them on.
Yeah.
We've come to the start of the rapids. So we are ready, let's go.
Go, let's go. This is how you're supposed to go. Whoa. Just put it first and then go. Hold it. Hold it.
not in my control. The first rapid is coming right now. I need to hold. Hold, hold, hold. Woo! Whoa! Woohoo! This one was good. Yeah. So enjoying the tubing, but I am missing Kriti. I hope she was also here with me. But yeah, we will come back again to do this together for sure. It's a nice fun thing to do, especially on a summer day. The water is not hot, but it's not chilly as well. Like it's slightly on the colder side, but it's a really good weather to be in. This one was really rocky. Came back from the river rapids. We have just deflated our tubes again. Now we'll take it back to the entrance point. I think it took about an hour. It can take an hour to and a half also, depending on how quickly you are moving. But I think overall it was a good experience. In terms of adventure, I would rate it like a 3 or 4. But overall it was really beautiful. Like there were parts in which you were in between nature and trees all around and the sun is shining, so it's a good enjoyment. But yeah, I think
Not as adventurous as the rapids.
no, definitely not as adventurous as the rapids in Rishikesh. They are really fast. Here maybe there were 2 or 3, but not as fast. So mostly you will be on the tube. There is a very low chance that you will fall, but I did see a couple of people who fell off from their tubes and they were struggling to come back up. So yeah, you should be comfortable with water while you're coming here. And now we'll just go to a nearby pub and have something to eat. We're really hungry now. So guys, this is the next weekend. We enjoyed the tubing activity a lot. I will put the exact rate on the screen. Now we are going to another activity on the next weekend. This is the Labor Day weekend. We are going off to a cottage. We'll show that experience in a different vlog. But in case you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. It will mean a lot to us. And we will see you in the next time. Take care and goodbye.